Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Traffic Signboard Recognition and Voice Alert System using Convolutional Neural Network, which is an IEEE 2021 conference paper. So in this project the authors have proposed a concept where the system will be identifying the traffic signboard and also it gives a voice alert of the detected sign so that the user can be able to easily know the traffic sign of it. And the dataset that they have used is GTSRB, which is a German traffic sign benchmarks dataset. So now let us see the execution of the project. So let me show you the dataset link. So this is taken from Kaggle. This is the dataset, that is GTSRB images. So first copy the source code location, go to your command prompt, go to the source code location, type python app.py and click enter. And before that I'll show you about that. The model that we have used is CNN model architecture. The accuracy score that we have achieved is 0.969, which is around 97%. Coming back to the command prompt, here you can see the URL. Just copy this URL, go to your browser. Now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title. So just let me clear the history part so the arrangements templates will be in a correct manner. Just refresh it. So here you can see the exact template of it. So this is the welcome screen or home screen of the project with the project title, traffic signboard recognition and voice alert system using convolutional neural network. Just click this login page, and this is a static login page because we have not used any database here. So just enter the default username and password as admin and then click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the preview part where you can upload the image and preview it and then go for the prediction part of it. So just click this upload button, go to the source code location where you can find the test data images. So here you can see the various classification of images where you can select any of it. So just let me select the first one and select any of the image, and here you can preview the image that we have uploaded and then click predict. So once after clicking the predict button, let me show you with the speakers of mine for the voice alert part. So just click this predict button.
Predicted traffic sign is ahead only. Predicted traffic sign is ahead only.
So now you have seen the result, that is predicted traffic sign is ahead only, and also the same that has been given as a voice message. So just let me show you with the other class. So let me select this and then click predict.
Predicted traffic sign is children crossing. Predicted traffic sign is children crossing.
So this is about the children crossing, and let me go to the next one, keep left. So select any of the image, preview it and then click predict.
Predicted traffic sign is keep left. Predicted traffic sign is keep left.
So let me go to the other one, keep right and then click predict.
Predicted traffic sign is keep right. Predicted traffic sign is keep right.
Now let me go for the other one.
Predicted traffic sign is no entry. Predicted traffic sign is no entry.
So it is detected as no entry, and now let me go for another one and then click predict.
Predicted traffic sign is priority road. Predicted traffic sign is priority road.
So this sign is about priority road. Let me show you with other one.
Predicted traffic sign is right of way at intersection. Predicted traffic sign is right of way at intersection.
So this is about right of way intersection. Now let me select some other.
Predicted traffic sign is speed limit 30 kilometers per hour. Predicted traffic sign is speed limit 30 kilometers per hour.
So this is about speed limit 30 kilometers per hour.
Predicted traffic sign is speed limit 70 kilometers per hour. Predicted traffic sign is speed limit 70 kilometers per hour.
So this is the speed limit of 70 kilometers per hour. And let me select this image and click predict.
Predicted traffic sign is stop. Predicted traffic sign is stop.
This is about the stop, and then comes the other one. Click predict
Predicted
button.
traffic sign is yield. Predicted traffic sign is yield.
This is about yield. And here I have missed one that is no sign detected. So in case if there is no traffic sign, which is if you are giving an input of some car image, this is not a traffic sign image. So let us see what happens. So let me select this. So this is the car image. Let me click predict button.
Predicted traffic sign is no sign detected. Predicted traffic sign is no sign detected.
So here you can see it says that no sign has been detected. So let me show you with the other case also.
Predicted traffic sign is no sign detected.
So this is an horse
Predicted
message.
traffic sign is no sign detected.
So this is an horse image. So it says that predicted as no sign detected.
Predicted traffic sign is no sign detected. Predicted traffic sign is no sign detected.
And now let me move to the performance analysis part. So in the performance analysis part, here you can see the accuracy, precision, recall and F measure values, where accuracy is 0.969, precision is 0.952, recall is 0.948, F measure is 0.959, and final is the chart part. This is a static chart which consists of comparing the training and the testing accuracy value. And let me log out. And this is all about the project traffic signboard recognition and voice alert system using convolutional neural network. And thank you for watching.